Today we're going to check out this gaming headset. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's by Eksa. It's the E1000 gaming headset, PC or Mac, which is great because I've got a Mac. And I thought I would use this to try it out because these usually are really comfortable. They've got a microphone boom here. They've got ear cups right here. So not only can you use them for gaming, which I don't do very much of, but you can use them for video conferencing, Zoom calls, Skype calls, Microsoft Team calls, and usually they're pretty good for that. It does come with this little pleather drawstring bag, so if you want to do your gaming at home and then go somewhere else, you can certainly do that too. Take it in this nice little bag here. Now these should be pretty much plug and play. It does come with this long braided nylon covering on the cable right there, so it seems pretty robust. That is plugged in there permanently, so these are a wired headset. And it also comes with a little control in line here. So we have volume control right there. We have a mute button right there for the microphone. And then this is very long, geez, which is awesome. So you can move around without having to worry about pulling the cable out of your computer. We have a USB-A plug, so this should hopefully be everything you need. The audio for your ears as well as the audio pickup for the mic. Now, on the headphones here, we have a left and a right marked. We have a nice big foam wrapped in pleather headband up here, so that should be nice and comfortable. Plastic up here with a nice design. All plastic construction, so it's kind of nice to be really light, especially if you're going to wear these for a long period of time. Even the plastic sides here have a kind of a metallized look. They have little screws on them to give it kind of an industrial look. We also have like a leatherette ear cup here, very soft and squishy, and you can see the covers over the speaker grills. Now, I will show you that these will expand right up here, so you have that metal band up there, so you can fit these to anyone's head, small or ginormous. And then you have a microphone boom that will pivot down on this side. So this is the only way it goes, and it goes down to, man, it goes down pretty far, and it's pretty flexible. So if you hit this on something, you don't have to worry about it busting. You can see a little microphone holes right on the front there, just like this. Ooh, tell you what, they're pretty noise isolating. I can't hear much going on around me, so hopefully you should get really good clarity when you're listening. So now what we have to do is go ahead and plug this into my computer and see how they work. Alright, I've got the headphones plugged into my Mac here. I can just tell you right now, after wearing these for a few minutes and testing them out, they are really comfortable. They put a little bit of pressure as they push on my ears here, but not uncomfortable at all. And if you have a smaller head, it's probably going to even be more comfortable. But certainly comfortable up here, down here. I mean, you could certainly wear these for hours on end for sure. Now, one of the things that I want to show you, if I rotate here to the side, you can see the little LED lights in the ear cups just kind of slowly and soothingly rotate around. So that's pretty cool. Both sides here, so it definitely makes you look pretty modern and new age and kind of like an extra from Tron. But I do have the audio set to pick up from the microphone on the headphones. So this is the audio that you should expect to pick up from these. Now, one of the things that I will say here is that, yes, for gaming, this will help you communicate with your buddies like, cover me, or save Pikachu. But you can judge the audio quality for yourself because this might be something that you want to use on a Zoom call. Yes, it's going to look like you have a headset on, like you're an air traffic controller, but you know, you're going to be able to hear people really well. You're going to be able to block out some of the other sound that's around you, and they are going to hear that rich, deep voice that you have. And so hopefully the clarity will be good as opposed to just using some of the built-in webcam microphones, which can sound really tinny, really echoey, really thin even. And so something like this is not just for the people who game and enjoy life to the fullest, but for people that are stuck at work, you know, with their souls crushed and their hopes and dreams dead. This might add a little bit of life back to you no matter what. If you want to pick up this gamer headset for your fun activities or your work activities, I think you might be pleasantly surprised. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
All right, I've got the headphones. Headphones?